Iy'ndaba ey'threndayo-ke namhlanje esizokhuluma ngazo ey'khonsena yona-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs. They are trending laphayana, khona isitori esithrendayo lapha kwa-X ukuthi amakhosi are in talks with the Golden Arrows coach Manqoba Mnqithi. And they are looking to appoint him as their new head coach in the upcoming season. Ngoba sazi ukuthi right now they have ama-co-coaches and wakhonfirma-ke uKaizer Motaung Junior laphaya on a radio interview that Kaizer Chiefs will have a new coach, a single coach next season. So kubukeka ngathi-ke they are talking to Manqoba Mnqithi. And ama-response ebengiwabheka-ke laphayana kuma-replies abaningi-ke abantu abajabulanga ama-fans ayo kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. They believe ukuthi uManqoba Mnqithi uyayizonda-ke i-team and nabalandeli, as we know ukuthi-ke sometimes uno-complaina ngabo, but yabona nje we'll have to wait and see ubonakala ukuthi i-story-ke as-developha ukuthi is there a truth in it. Kodwa-ke for now kuthiwa-ke amakhosi are talking to Manqoba Mnqithi to take over from Ukhaze noKhalil next season.